Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 140 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. You have to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you wanna click here, search apps, type in Riot. You wanna uninstall Riot Vanguard. Allow it, yes, and let it uninstall it fully. Wait a bit for it to be uninstalled. Once it's gone from the list, you can close this out. Reopen Riot Client, and once the Riot Client opens, you want to click on League of Legends, click update, and it will install Vanguard. Wait it out. If it bugs out, just do it again till it installs it. Click yes, let it install, and after it's done installing, you want to close this out. Go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. Once it opens, click allow an app or feature, click change settings, click allow another app, click browse, go to local disk C, Riot Games, Riot Client. You want to add the Riot Client, click add. I already have it for you, it will add it, and you're gonna go back, click C, Riot Games, League of Legends. You want to add the League Client, 29.77, add it. I already have it also. And the last thing you want to add is go to local disk C, program files. Scroll down till you find Riot Vanguard. You want to add the VGC also, Vanguard user mode. Add it, I already have it. And now you want to find it on the list, Vanguard user mode, and you want to make sure that it has ticked for both public and private. Same for League Launcher and for Riot Client. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this. Go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this, services.msc. Once the window opens, you want to click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, switch the startup type from manual to automatic, click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. Go to Services tab, click Hide on Microsoft Services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, take it back again, click Apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC. Now, if this somehow doesn't help you, there's like two possibilities you can do. Either if you're using Windows 11, you can downgrade to like Windows 10, and then like most of these problems will go away. Or you can update your BIOS, and by updating your BIOS, most of these things should be fixed also. And the last resort, you can contact Riot support, but I don't know how helpful they are. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 140 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.